Here's the app called TeamReach, your team app for any sport, group, or club. So here you have it. TeamReach has everything you need to manage and instantly communicate with your team, club, or group. It's easy, intuitive, safe, and free. So you have messages, schedules, instant updates, availability, easily find out who can attend a game, event details, polls, photos, save. Free, easy, and saves time. TeamReach is designed to simplify life for everyone involved. Save, protect coaches, players, and parents. Right place, right time. Great for any sport. So, perfect to reach out and communicate with all types of sport teams and leagues. Any club, group, or activity. So if you just running a team, you're a coach or your group of friends, and you basically have a team. This is a really cool app to manage it. There are a lot of apps in this category. So here you can just enter a group code uh, to join it. Also, you can then just go and create your group. So, for example, you can just sign up with your account, email, app, or Google. I don't know why it's not working. So, all right, let's try to sign in like that with Google. And then group name, you can enter, for example, your group name. Create group code. It must be at least 8 characters long. So I don't know. Then you can just must contain letters and numbers. So for example, and then you just created this. This is your team which you just created. And then this is your team. This is invite code. Then you can see members, you can see photos, files, you can see schedule, you can see messages, you can write a message in here. Then there are settings. You can see your role, coach, whatever, wallpaper. If you want to have it ad free, no ads, then it's just $10 per year. Group type, you can duplicate group. So pretty cool. Just instead of having your like just WhatsApp chat, group chat, or like Messenger group chat, these can be much more convenient for managing, especially bigger teams. Your guest, like especially if your team is a bit more serious, if you're participating in tournaments, and you want to have a fixed schedule, and you want to see your members, you want to have some notes, some specific chat, direct messages. So then that's kind of fun to have, and it's quite convenient. So pretty cool. That's the app, what you can have in here. Join group, create group. Super easy app to use, and it's free. So you don't need to upgrade and go on a free trial or anything. Just start using it.